With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is, growth is irreversible process found at organization level, and the options are subcellular growth, cellular growth, organ growth, and the last one is all the above. So as we all know that the irreversible permanent increase in size, volume or weight of the body is called growth. That is irreversible permanent increase in size, volume and weight of the body. Weight of the body is called as growth. Correct? So it occurs at the subcellular level. It occurs at the subcellular level. Okay? Cellular level, organ level and organization level. Okay? Cellular level, organ level and organization level. Organization level. So the correct answer is option D. That is all the above. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.